Hello my dear student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Now, welcome to my botany class of Standard 7. Today, I will explain about the structure of plastid. So, today's topic's name is the structure of plastid. Plastid. Definition of plastid: round or elliptical, double membrane bound organelle with or without pigments, which is present in living cell is called plastid. It is present in plant cell and not present in animal cell. In 1883, W. Schimper discovered it. Depending on the presence and absence of pigments, plastids are two types: chromatoplast and leucoplast. Now, what is chromatoplast? Chroma means color. So, the plastids which are colorful are called chromatoplast. Depending on the color, it is two types: chloroplast and chromoplast. Dear students, look at the figure. Here, I have shown a canteen. We know that canteen provides food for us. Similarly, plant cells have such canteen-like organelle, which is known as chloroplast, which manufacture food and provides food for plants. Now, what is chloroplast? Here, chloros means green. So, the plastid which is responsible for the green color of plant is known as chloroplast. It is present in the cell of green leaf, tender stem, branches and other green parts of plant. They are green because they contain high concentration of green pigments, that means chlorophyll pigments. This chlorophyll pigment helps to prepare carbohydrate fruit through photosynthesis process. Function. Its main function is to help photosynthesis process for manufacturing the food. This is the structure of chloroplast. Each chloroplast is covered by two-layer membrane, which are made by protein and lipid. They are outer layer and another one is inner layer. In the inner layer, there are granular jelly-like substance present, which is called stroma. In stroma, there are 40 to 80 well-arranged barrel-shaped grana are present. Each granum contains 5 to 25 granum disc. The grana remain connected by fine channels. These are known as stroma lamella. In the membrane of grana, there are quantosome present. This quantosome contains chlorophyll pigments. These chlorophyll pigments helps to prepare carbohydrate food through photosynthesis process. This is the written description about the structure of chloroplast. Dear students, have you seen unripe tomato? Here we can see unripe tomato, which is green in color. But whenever it ripens, its color is red. So, why does the color of tomato change from green to red? When the green fruits ripens, chloroplast is converted into chromoplast and produce variations of color in the fruits. Here, chloroplast, that means chlorophyll pigments present. After ripening, chlorophyll pigments converted into lycopene pigment, which is a kind of chromoplast. So, what is chromoplast? Chromoplast, the plastid which is responsible for different color but not green, is called chromoplast. They are different in color, that means yellow, orange, red, etc. because of the presence of the carotene, xanthophyll, etc. pigments. The flower, fruits and other parts of a plant have their attractive colorful appearance because of these pigments. This is the picture of flower. Chromoplast is responsible for the bright color of this flower. This is the picture of carrot. Here, carotene pigments is responsible for the bright orange color of carrot. Here, xanthophyll pigments is responsible for yellow color of capsicum. Function. Its main function is to make flowers attractive for pollination. I know you are very well known about it. Its name is refrigerator. We use this to preserve the excess food for future. Later, we can use this excess food in our need. Similarly, plant cells have such refrigerator-like organelle, which is store food. That organelle's name is leucoplast. This leucoplast can store food like refrigerator. So now, what is leucoplast? Here, leukos mean colorless. So, the plastid which are colorless are called leucoplast. It is present in those cells where sunlight does not reach, such as root, underground stem. Here, potato is a underground modified stem, and in potato, leucoplast is present. Now the function. Its main function is the storage of food. On the other hand, leucoplast can be transformed into chromoplast or chloroplast when they come in contact with sunlight. This is the figure of grass, which is green in color. If we keep this grass in dark room for few days, then we can see the white grass. Here, green grass becomes white because the chloroplast of green grass converted into leucoplast due to lack of sun ray. Okay. On the other hand, when this white grass comes in contact of sunlight, gradually it becomes green. It is proved that one type of plastid may be changed to another type of plastid. I hope my lecture will be help to understand this topic. If you face any problem, you can contact with me. In the next class, I will explain about the structure of mitochondria and Golgi body. Okay, thank you everyone. Take care and stay safe.